Good morning, children. Myself, Swati, English faculty from Talapadmati International School. So, here in this image, you can see what the girl is doing. The girl is reading, sitting under a tree, and she is reading. So, here, wow, it's a cute rabbit. It's white rabbit. But in this image, the rabbit is different. Before image it was a white rabbit, but now in this it is different. So today in our class we are going to learn a story, Alice in Wonderland. So one day Alice was lying under a tree. Alice was a girl and she was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. When she was sitting under a tree, she saw a rabbit ran quickly. He had pink eyes. Rabbit is having pink eyes and it was wearing blue coat. So, and he took out a big watch from his pocket. It was wearing a coat, blue coat. From that, he took out a watch. So, oh dear, I will be too late, she thought. There was something very different about this rabbit, and it could talk. Wow, this rabbit is talking, and it is a different one, a talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. And now the girl Alice was very curious. Oh no, it is totally different. And she wanted to know about the talking rabbit. And she followed the white rabbit. So children, you will be having some curious. If you see any different things, you will be have some curious. Oh, I wanted to know about that. And now the rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. So the rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice was shouting aloud, "Where am I? Where am I? Oh, I am going so many miles down. I have fallen in a hole. I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Oh, where am I going?" So, what happened? At last, Alice landed on a pile of dried leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw a white rabbit again. Now, after going down, when she laid on the dried leaves, then she saw a white rabbit. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door. And when she stood up, she saw a small door about 15 inches. The door was only 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. 15 inches means it is very small. She saw a glass table with a golden key. So there was a glass table and there was a golden key in that. So she tried the little golden key. She fixed in the lock of that small door and she wanted to open the door. She was trying. And at last Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden. When she opened the door, it was beautiful. She looked a beautiful garden. And she was ever seen that garden. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. Wow, it's very beautiful. I have never seen so many flowers. Beautiful flowers are there and fountains. So through fountains, what we get? We get water. So the garden was very, very beautiful. And she could not even get her head through the doorway. So she can't. Just she peeped through the door, but she cannot Go from that door. So I could become smaller. She wished, oh, if I was small, no, I used to go there. She exclaimed loudly. Thank you.